Hackers are hiding and executing malware in Bitmap resources using .NET. Attackers are increasingly using creative methods to hide malware. One such technique involves embedding malicious code in Bitmap image resources inside a .NET application. This allows them to evade static detection and load malware at runtime. Why Bitmap resources? Bitmaps are common in applications, icons, splash screens, etc. .NET lets you embed and access bitmap resources easily. AV engines may not scan resource content thoroughly. Payloads can be encoded to look like pixel data. The attack architecture. Here's how the infection chain works. 1. .NET app embeds malware in an image, BMP. 2. At runtime, it loads the image from the resource section. 3. It extracts the payload from the image's byte array. 4. It decrypts or decodes the payload. 5. It executes the payload dynamically, for example, via assembly, load. Example, embedding and extracting payload. 1. Embedding the bitmap, attacker side. In a real scenario, the attacker uses tools or code to embed malware inside a bitmap image. Then the payload.bmp is added as a resource in a .NET project. 2. Extracting payload from bitmap, malicious app. 3. Executing the malicious payload. Often, the payload is a DLL or exe in byte array form. Here's how it might be loaded dynamically. 4. Optional, decryption layer. Attackers might encrypt the payload to further evade detection. How to detect it, defender's perspective. Hook resource access, example. Resource manager.get object. Monitor reflection-based execution, assembly, load, method info, invoke. Analyze embedded images for anomalies, like unusual pixel patterns or large image size without visible content. Use dynamic analysis tools or sandboxes to capture execution behavior. Real-world detection code, simplified. Key takeaways. Malicious code can be hidden in plain sight, like inside image files. Attackers abuse legitimate .NET features like assembly, load. Static scanners may miss embedded payloads. Behavior-based detection is essential. Analysts should look for suspicious resource access and dynamic assembly. Loading.